A fun mini story for practicing speaking, perfect for beginners. Hi, let me tell you about my friends, Tom and Sarah. They are very good friends. One day they decided to go to the park together. Tom said, Sarah, do you want to go for a walk? Sarah answered, Yes, I'd love to. It's a nice day today. They met at the bus stop at 10 o'clock in the morning. Tom was a little late, but Sarah waited for him. When Tom came, he said, Sorry, I'm running late. Sarah smiled and said, No problem, let's go. At the park, they saw many people. Some people were jogging and some were playing with their dogs. Tom said, Look at that dog. It's so cute. Sarah laughed and said, Yes, I wish I had a dog. Then they sat on a bench to rest. Tom took out a sandwich from his bag. He said, I'm starving. Let's eat. Sarah smiled and said, Good idea. I brought some juice. While they were eating, a bird came close to them. Sarah said, Look, the bird wants some food too. Tom gave the bird a small piece of his sandwich. The bird was happy and flew away. After that, they decided to play on the swings. Sarah said, It's been a long time since I played on swings. Tom laughed and said, Me too. Let's have some fun. They spent 2 hours at the park. When it was time to go home, Sarah said, I had a great day with you, Tom. Tom replied, Me too. Let's do this again soon. They said goodbye and went home. It was a simple day, but a very happy day.